Hey y'all, so I just wanted to jump on camera really quick before we begin our DIY video to say happy holidays to you guys. And I hope you're staying safe, staying strong, and above all, staying happy and staying blessed and positive, of course. So we will be doing a DIY holiday wreath, something that is cute for, well, I actually plan on having my wreath inside my home. But it's something that is cute to add to your holiday decor. It's real budget friendly. And most of all, it's a perfect DIY project that you can do with your family. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, so let's jump right into it. So you will need a wreath. And I purchased all of my items from Michael's. They were having a huge sale. I got this 18-inch wreath for $2.99. It was on sale. All right. And then I picked up this garland right here. It has pine cones and all type of little cute little things on it that I thought was cute. The original price was $19.99, but I got it for 60% off. And then, of course, you know your girl is extra. She loves everything that glitters. So I got this garland. It was originally $19.99, but I paid, I forgot, it was 60% off. So whatever, 60% off of that. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all of the little price tags taken off, and we'll be right back starting the video. Okay, so now you want to take your wreath and you want to take your gold glittery garland, and you see this hook right here. We're just going to hook it right onto the wreath, and the wreath doesn't have a starting point, so I'll pick right here. So I'm just going to put it right under, and I'm going to take part of the wreath and I'm going to bend it just like that. And then I'm going to take the garland and I'm just going to wrap it through the wreath. And as I'm wrapping, I'm going to do it kind of close. So I'm just going to go under and continue wrapping around the wreath. Okay. And like I said, this piece of garland right here is real glittery. So as you guys can see, glitter is starting to have fallout. But it is so adorable, I didn't want to pass it up. So I'll turn it this way so you all can see. I'm just wrapping it through the wreath. All right, ladies, so I am done wrapping my wreath, and as you guys can see, I took the ending part of the garland, and like I did with the beginning part, I just took that little loop and I stuck it up under a branch and bent it back. Okay, so this is how the garland should be looking. Now, of course, since I got the smaller garland, I got the 18-inch, then I only needed one glittery garland. But if you get a bigger one, then you may need more than one strand of garland. All right, so let me grab the other ones and then I'll wrap it. Then we'll start wrapping it around. Okay, so we have our second strand of garland that we're going to add. And I'm going to start right here. So I'm going to take my loop and I'm going to wrap it around. We're going to do the same. Take that and then wrap it around one of the branches and bend it back, and then we're just going to loop this garland through. And once you get everything wrapped around the wreath, then you can go in and then you can start situating your branches and everything. But right now we're just getting it wrapped around the wreath. right, y'all, so this is how your wreath should be looking once you have your second garland added. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to start fluffing it out, trying to make it look symmetrical as possible. But yeah, like I said, this is nice and easy. So this is something that I think you and the family would definitely have a great time doing. You can even make it a friendly competition amongst each other. All right, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get my little leaves fluffed out, and I'll be back with the final look for you all. Hey y'all, so I'm back with my final product, and as you guys can see, I am loving how it turned out. I also added a bow, which I took off the Christmas tree because I thought that it would look very cute on this wreath. All right, plus it's Christmas. You're supposed to get extra, bring all your creativity, and just be over the top with it. All right, so like I said, I think that this is a good DIY project for you to do with the family. I hope you all found this video fun and helpful and easy to follow. If you decide to do this, then definitely hit me up and let me know how yours turned out. I gave you guys the blueprint, so definitely bring your creativity. You can add lights. You can just do all type of things to your wreath. All right, so I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. Happy holidays. Remember to stay safe, sanitize, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.